Hi guys, this is your host Pankaj Joshi from my new channel Control All Tech. So, this is a tweak video or you can say a troubleshooting video. If you are having a Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 and you are having some problem with your sound or you are getting one error which is your DTSX can't be enabled. So, if you see what it's written here, it is please connect external speakers. So it is asking you to connect external speakers. And when we see DTS sound inbound, this is the software which is a paid software from DTS and it is free for Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 2023 version. I do not know if it is available with previous generations, but if you can see here, the decoder is already licensed, but it is not working. So don't worry, it is very simple and we have a solution for that. After enabling it, you will see a drastic sound quality change. So how can it be enabled? That's the problem. So just close it, right click on task manager, go to services and open services. Here you need to find DTS. This is the service we need to enable, which is, I don't know why it is disabled. And click on start and then click on OK. Close it, close this one, go to DTS X Ultra and now it is enabled. So now we will play some music. Giving you my paradise. To the change in the music, change in the quality of the music. Click on these like surround sound. You can customize it like holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. Tonight, cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. Sound change. The quality has drastically changed. It is now like a very low quality sounding device. Now when we click this one, listen to the clarity. So as you can see, your Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 does not have a bad sounding speakers. Your services DTSX is not enabled. And one more thing, if you do not find any DTX X service on your services menu, reinstall your audio drivers. You will find it there already disabled. So kindly enable it. Enjoy listening to the music. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up